Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting OBS ready and activating the virtual camera so Google Meet can accept it as a webcam. Open OBS, create a new scene, add your webcam as a video capture device, and set the canvas to 1280 by 720 for consistent aspect ratio. Once done, confirm your microphone input in System Settings and close apps that use the camera. Then click Start Virtual Camera in OBS. This makes your composed output available to Google Meet as a selectable camera source. Next, switch Google Meet to use OBS Virtual Camera under the Camera drop-down so participants see the OBS output. For audio, either enable OBS audio monitoring on your source and route it to your system output, or set up a virtual audio cable and select that as Meet's microphone to send mixed audio from OBS. Make sure to mute your local microphone in Meet if OBS is already sending your mic to prevent double audio. Finally, test both video and audio in Meet's preview before joining. Finish by running a quick full test. Join a test meeting, confirm frame rate and resolution, and verify participants see the scene you intend to share. If your video is black, restart OBS, the browser, or reinstall camera drivers and ensure no other app blocks the device. If you hear echo, check audio monitoring in OBS and disable it, or reassign the virtual audio cable so only one path carries your microphone. Maintain a wired connection and limit background uploads for the smoothest meeting experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.